Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can create a 3D zoom effect in CapCut video editing applications. First we need to check if the CapCut app is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find CapCut. If it is not updated, click the Update button. Wait for it to update and then open CapCut. When we have opened the CapCut application, we will click on New Project. Here we will select the image or video we want to edit. In our case it is a picture. We click on the Photos menu. We select an image by clicking on it. When a new window opens, click Add. In the editing window that opened, we will click on the editing line. Then find the Style option in the menu at the bottom of the screen. We click. A number of options open up here. The one we need is 3D zoom. To find it easier, in the category menu, find the Motion section. We click. After that we find the 3D zoom option and click on it. We will wait for the application to do its job. After that we will play the video to see the results. As you can see, the 3D zoom effect has been successfully applied. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.